Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the amazing benefits of cacao nibs, small pieces of crushed cacao beans that pack a powerful nutritional punch. These crunchy, chocolatey bites are not only delicious, but also loaded with nutrients. Let's dive into why cacao nibs should be your new go-to snack and how to easily incorporate them into your diet. What are cacao nibs and why choose them? Cacao nibs are the raw, minimally processed form of chocolate before it's sweetened and turned into the confection we typically know. They're made by crushing cacao beans, preserving their natural nutrients and intense chocolate flavor. The chocolate dilemma. While chocolate is known for its health benefits, processed varieties are based on cocoa and often contain added sugar and other ingredients that can diminish these advantages. Studies show that cocoa can be beneficial for health, but the processing and additives in commercial chocolate can negate these benefits. The key difference between cacao and cocoa lies in the processing. Cacao nibs are powerhouses of phenolic antioxidants containing more than most foods. These include flavonoids like catechin, epicatechin, and procyanidins. Antioxidants are crucial for health as they neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, potentially reducing the risk of various chronic diseases. Minimal processing means more beneficial nutrients, such as magnesium, iron, and other essential minerals, remain intact. Cacao nibs have a richer, more intense chocolate flavor compared to cocoa, making them a great addition to various dishes without added sugars or flavorings. Health benefits. 1. Heart health. The anti-inflammatory effects of cacao nibs, coupled with their ability to improve blood flow and potentially lower blood pressure, contribute to cardiovascular health. 2. Diabetes management. Cacao nibs may influence insulin resistance, potentially reducing the risk of diabetes. The antioxidants they contain might improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. 3. Mood booster. Cacao nibs contain theobromine and phenylethylamine, compounds that can elevate mood and provide a natural energy boost. 4. Nutrient-rich. Cacao nibs are a treasure trove of essential minerals like iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, manganese, and copper. These nutrients support various bodily functions, from bone health to oxygen transport. 5. Digestive health. Their high fiber content promotes digestive regularity and may feed beneficial gut bacteria. 6. Neuroprotective and skin benefits. Early research suggests cacao might protect nerves from damage and inflammation, guard the skin from sun damage, and even influence satiety and cognitive function. It's important to note that while these benefits are promising, more research is needed to fully understand the long-term impacts of cacao nibs on various aspects of health. How to consume cacao nibs. Incorporating cacao nibs into your diet is easy and delicious. Here are some simple ways to enjoy them. Add a tablespoon to your favorite smoothie for a chocolatey crunch, or use as a substitute for chocolate chips in cookies, muffins, and brownies. Sprinkle on top of yogurt or oatmeal for added texture and flavor. Mix with nuts, dried fruit, and seeds for an energizing snack. Add to salads for a unique touch. Make your own healthy chocolate by combining cacao nibs with coconut oil and a natural sweetener like date sugar. Recommended serving size is typically 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, but this can vary based on individual needs and tolerance. Precautions. While generally safe for most people, cacao nibs contain caffeine and theobromine, which may cause side effects in sensitive individuals or if consumed in large amounts. These may include sleep disturbances, increased heart rate, or digestive issues. If you have any concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before adding cacao nibs to your diet. Conclusion. Cacao nibs are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet, offering potential benefits for heart health, mood, and more. By choosing cacao nibs, you can enjoy the benefits of chocolate in its purest form. Remember, incorporating superfoods like cacao nibs into your diet is a simple way to enhance your health and well-being. We hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content as we continue our journey towards a healthier, happier life together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutritious recipes. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.